Here I have this ultrasonic jewelry cleaner here that we use to clean jewelry. So you can add any type of jewelry to it like that. Also good for cleaning glasses, toothbrush heads, etc. So it just uses like sound waves and stuff to clean really deeply. So first off too, thank you to the company for sending this out to me to try out. It's really simple to use. You just add water to it there, up to the line. Then you can fit 2 pair of glasses in there if you're doing that. So it does come with this little basket here as well. So you can put rings, small jewelry in there. So yeah, super simple. Just take your stuff, add it in there. Let's see if a pair of glasses will fit in there. So it'll kind of fit in there with the basket. So we'll just do that. And then you can set the time. So 180 seconds up to 600 seconds there. So let's just do 300. Turn it on. You can see it's really nice and quiet. It's not that loud at all. So you just let it run. And then after it's done, we'll take a look. Okay, so it just finished. Pretty nice and quick. Let's take a look at our items here. So you can see the glasses are really nice and clean now. So there in the bottom you can see some stuff that came off the items there that wasn't there before. And then your jewelry items, let's take a look at those. So yeah, I mean, things look a little bit cleaner here. They also mentioned that you can add some cleaning solutions. So if you're cleaning glasses, you can add some glass cleaner. If you're cleaning jewelry, you can add some jewelry cleaner. Or I've heard or seen people mention you can add like dish soap or isopropyl alcohol as well. So you can add some little bit of cleaning detergent in there to help with it. And then you can see this has this really nice stainless steel chamber in there that is super nice and large. You can hold a lot of items. So you can get professional cleaning results at home quickly and very inexpensively. So if you want to do something like that, clean a lot of stuff really well, make sure you check out this unit. It works great.